If you want your green card approved faster, do not skip this step. Most people skip this step, but it makes all the difference. Now, the step that most people skip is preparing an updated personal evidence packet right before their interview. Let me explain why this is a game changer. USCIS interviews aren't about the forms you've already submitted. They're about what's happening in your life right now. If you bring fresh evidence to the interview, it shows the officer that your case is strong and up to date, which can fast track your case towards approval. Here's what I mean. For family-based green cards, like marriage-based green card cases, bring new evidence that wasn't available at the time you filed, like recent photos of you and your spouse together, recently updated joint bank account statements, or even updated utility bills that show you're still living together. If you've had a major life event, like you bought a new home together or you've had a child together, bring that documentation. It gives the officer insight into your current situation and makes your case feel real. For employment-based green card cases, bring proof of your continued employment, like recent pay stubs, promotions that you may have gotten, or even updated job responsibilities. This reassures the officer that your job offer is still valid, and it strengthens your case. Letters of support can also add major value to your updated personal evidence packet. Quality letters from friends, family, coworkers, neighbors, or community leaders can add to your application and give credibility to your case. For instance, if you're applying based on marriage, ask a close friend to write a letter about you and your spouse and how they've spent time with you. Something as simple as "I've seen them at family dinners and they have a personal bond" can really add a personal touch. Letters overall add a human element to your case, which is something that forms and documents can't do. And green card cases are discretionary, so letters can help show the USCIS officer who you are, what your character is like, and insight into other positive attributes about you. Now, here's a bonus tip. If you want to go above and beyond, include a cover letter or table of contents that lists all of the documents in your updated evidentiary packet. It makes the officer's job easier, and trust me, they will appreciate it. For more tips like this and other immigration news and information, feel free to give me a follow.